Hey y'all, I'm so glad you're here. In this video, we are going to Bible journal 1 Peter chapter 3. For this Bible journaling session, I wanted it to have a kind of serene feeling, something that invoked love and togetherness and brought in the beauty of God's creation. So I used this really pretty glittery blue ribbon along with a napkin that has some beautiful flowers on it. You've seen me peeling the napkin apart. That makes it very thin and it makes it go onto the page better and semi-translucent. I was going to use my spray glue, but of course it didn't want to work. So then I had to use my regular clear Elmer's glue, and I put a sheet of watercolor paper behind it to keep it from sticking to the pages behind the page that I was working on. I make everything larger than the page that I'm actually working on so that I have a little bit of wiggle room, and then I can just go back in the end and cut off the excess. But I use this little Cricut tool that I have to smooth everything down and make sure that there's no gaps and air bubbles between the page and my napkin. And here I'm just making sure that it's over far enough because I don't like for anything to be covering the scripture. Here I am ready to implement my ribbon. I am going to use it to make a nice clean border between the napkin area and the scripture. As I mentioned before, I am going back in after the glue has dried and cutting off the excess so that the page fits normally with the other pages in the Bible and it won't stick out when I close it. Here is just a quick little view of what I've gotten done so far. I picked up these really cute stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to use as many as I can. I have decided that this page needs a tip-in, so this is going to be my little bitty tip-in that I'm going to stick in here. I'm not sure exactly where I want this, so I'm going to play around with it just a little bit and then decide where it needs to have its home. I just wanted to give y'all a quick little view before it gets put in the Bible of how my tip-in turned out. I just use some simple clear tape to secure it in place. Here is another quick little view of what I have gotten done so far. I just went back in and added a little bit of color to the page for a finishing touch. I wanted to put it around the little love letters to God that are in this Bible. And then I added just a few more stickers. Here is the finished product. I really love how it turned out. The flowers and the really pretty stickers and the glitter ribbon and my tip in. I just really love it all. I hope you do as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Bible journaling session with me. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will answer to the best of my ability. And as always, I am so glad that you're here, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye guys.